Hi, my lovely Libras. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Libras, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of May 2023. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling, I got a lot of messages, and I don't think they are going to cater to masses. It's specific to a couple of energies only, okay? First pair of cards that flew down or came down was Karma and Temperance, both major arcanas. So guys, basically some of you guys might be going through some karmic events, and so the angels are definitely asking you to have patience, okay? Have patience. So whenever we are going through some karmic events, okay, some these events might be even painful. They might be little rough, like the rough patch that we call from our life, okay? That could be related to your karma. You might be you might be having some karmic debts to be paid in this lifetime. So you have to keep patience while sailing through this period, okay? That is the first message that was coming through very, very strongly. For some of you guys, some of you guys are definitely going to get married, okay? And this will happen very suddenly, like before you know, or before you even realize you'll be married to this person. Whoever this person is, this person adores you, okay? They see you as this beautiful empress. Now I am talking about energy, guys. I'm not talking about gender. The point being that whoever this person is, male, female, this person likes you. He or she adores you. They find you as a complete perfect package, okay? Like a dream come true kind of a person, okay? That's the kind of energy I was getting. I saw 4 of Wands, I saw 10 of Cups. So definitely and most definitely marriage is on cards for some of you guys. You could have met each other through internet or through or via web, okay? Via a matrimonial site, or through a dating app. I believe that you guys are geographically at different locations, okay? Like literally poles apart from each other, but what's meant to be shall be, okay? And if you are soulmates, you will meet no matter what, okay? And that's precisely what I was getting over here. Beautiful Tauran energy was coming through for some of you guys. If you are stuck in any legal battle, okay, like separation, especially separation, okay? That's what I was getting. Separation in terms of marriage, getting divorced, that if it was a court case, for example, it will just take pace, okay? It will just gain momentum, and things will come to a closure, okay? Things will definitely come to a closure. Now for another group of people, I was getting that for you guys, things are going to end, okay? But I did not see this as ending in terms of like ending of a relationship, or ending of a job, okay? I saw this as ending of some bad phase for some of you guys, okay? Death card was there, Scorpion energy, there was 10 of Wands also. But like I said, I feel that this is death of some bad or rough period of your life. The karmic period of your life is coming to an end, is what I was getting, guys, which is a good thing, which indeed is a good thing. Make sure you're learning your lessons in all this, okay? Yeah. So with that, guys, let's get started and see what messages we have for you guys in the main reading. Wheel of Fortune. Yeah. Wow. What a powerful combination to have over here. Wow. Oh my God. I told you, right? There was the karmic card. Oh my God. Piscean energy. Oh my God. what is happening, you guys? Six of Pentacles. You guys are definitely going to get oh my god, have I pulled, did I pull all pages? Because there was one reading in this month itself wherein I had pulled all pages. Okay, I don't remember which it was. No, yeah, only one is remaining, I think. One page is remaining, that is Wands, Pentacles, Cups, Page of Swords is remaining. Okay, rest all pages I have pulled, right? Yeah, interesting. So guys, you guys are going to receive some sort of communication for sure. Okay, some sort of important communication, and I believe this communication is related to someone's work. Okay, it could be work related news or a new opportunity in terms of career. Okay, that's what I'm getting very, very strongly. Okay, just let me quickly check the cards. Yes, I think we are good. Yeah, in your recent past, guys, there must, like I said, you guys definitely are, going through some karmic events. I really don't know what that is, but whatever it is, things have kind of picked up for you guys from the recent from the last few months. Okay, and new doors have opened for some of you guys, opportunities might be created for some of you guys might have got a new job opportunity, you guys might have gotten into a new relationship. Okay, but whatever, either ways, it's a brand new beginning that has occurred for some of you guys. Okay, Wheel of Fortune, a new chapter has begun for you guys. Okay, Cancerian energy coming through strongly. Also for some of you guys, if you were sitting in a stuck energy, if you were feeling very, very stuck in any situation, could be a relationship, could be a job, or any random situation for that matter, all of a sudden things have started shifting, the energies have started shifting for you guys. Okay, and things are taking momentum, they are gaining momentum, and things are progressing for you guys. Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys, there is some sort of precision yet again, third day in a row, and I'm really, really irritated about it now. Please spare me for this noise. I really have no control over it. At the same time, I cannot lose any time in terms of stalling the reading. Okay, so please bear with me for the disturbance. So yeah, good energy overall in the recent past, guys. You are coming out of some deadlock kind of a situation. Okay, and you are kind of getting free from some sort of rut also, is what I'm getting. Moving to your current energy, yes, you definitely are going to receive some message, some communication from someone. It could be an opportunity, like I'll give you an example over here. For example, you have been painting, for example I'm giving. Okay, do not try to read too much into the lines. If at all you are painting as your hobby, okay, then someone might have approached you and asked you to paint for him or her, and they would pay for it. Okay, they want the paint, they want your paintings for some purpose. Okay, to display in their office, for example. Okay, but they will come up with this project for you, a mini project for you, wherein you'll get paid also. Okay, likewise, you are going to get some opportunity from somewhere, and it's going to be a creative opportunity. It is something which is going to make you extremely happy. Okay, so that is what is coming through very, very strongly, guys. Brand new opportunity for some of you guys. I do not see it's going to be a new job opportunity altogether, no, but it is going to be something like, for example, if you are in a job, you'll get a chance to work on some another project, a brand new project. Okay, wherein you can showcase some more skills. Okay, additional skills which you have not applied ever before, or it could be a hobby, okay, that could turn into a that could have an opportunity to turn into profession, okay, passion profession kind of a thing. That is what I'm getting, guys. Some of you guys might be, this could be a period wherein you are thinking out of the box, okay. Your creativity is at the peak, okay. You could be getting messages or downloads in your sleep, okay. If at all you are, for example, if you are a poet, okay, you might be, words might start flowing to you. They might just flowing to you, okay. If you paint, you'll just start painting beautifully. Your creativity is at peak, okay. That's the kind of energy I'm getting, and it's very beautiful energy. You might be getting it from my voice itself, okay. It's very beautiful energy. Anyway, in your immediate future, I see karma and I see three of wands. I think that you guys are probably waiting for something, okay. You guys are probably waiting for the right time. You guys are waiting to travel probably somewhere, okay. That is also what I'm getting. You guys are definitely are done with your research. You guys are done with your study. You are done with finding out information about any particular situation or person, and it's like you're just waiting for the right time wherein you can hit the hammer, okay, or you can take that action, okay. The angels definitely are asking you to believe in divine timing, okay. They want you to, they don't want you to be impatient, okay, or settle for less due to impatience, but believe in divine timing, okay. That's the kind of message I'm getting very, very strongly over here. You guys are definitely in for some message, guys. I have no doubt about it. There are 3 pages straight away, okay. Now this message could also be, yeah, there could be a case wherein someone might just come forward and express his or her love towards you, or this person could come and apologize to you for what he or she has done, okay. There could be a person whom you have known from the past lifetimes, okay, lot of lifetimes, and that person might come and express his or her feelings towards you, okay. Now I might be prepared that there could be age gap between you, okay. There could definitely be age gap between you two, okay. One is going to be a very young energy and one is going to be an elder or older energy over here, okay. That's what I'm getting very, very strongly, guys. Wow. For some of you guys, your intuition is at your peak, your creativity is at your peak, okay. Some of you guys might be indulging into spirituality also, meditating also, but you have kind of ascended in terms of your aura, is what I'm getting, guys, and which is a very, very beautiful energy and very beautiful thing to happen, okay. Like I said before, some of you guys are going to enter into lot of or undertake a lot of creative projects, okay. Something that is going to it will give you that adrenaline rush, okay. You're going to be fired up, okay, totally fired up. If you guys are entering into a relationship, there's going to be a lot of passion in this relationship, okay. I'm telling you, heads down, lot of passion is what I'm saying. Ace of Wands talks about passions, basically passionate new beginnings. Look at this wand and this flowers and this butterfly and this beautiful sunny skies, okay. Wow. Like I said, some of you guys are definitely feeling very, very intuitive. You guys might get lot of downloads while you're asleep, or in your deep sleepy state, okay. So if at all you have any vivid dreams, peculiar dreams, be mindful of those, okay. Pay attention to those. This is how the universe or our other counterparts from other world communicate with us, okay, through thoughts, through dreams, okay. So be very mindful of those. You are going to be at your creative best, Libras. I have no doubt about it, and that's the theme of this reading, okay. For some of you guys are going to come out victorious through some situation. It's a very beautiful energy. Look at this chariot and look at the six of wands. It's like, things are going to start progressing, and that too in your favor. Whatever this cycle was, whatever this rough period was, at the end of the day you are going to be victorious, and that's what matters. Okay, that's what matters. There's a lot of fire energy, by the way. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. If at all you have these placements in your birth chart, do check those placements. And there is a lot of water also. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Page of Pentacles, you guys are going to receive Page of Pentacles, Page of Wands. I'll just summarize it. You are going to receive some communication or message, okay, and this is going to come at an unexpected time. You are definitely not expecting this. The opportunity is just going to land in your lap, okay, is what I'm getting, guys. It's just going to land in your hands, and you'll be like, okay, like I said, even if you realize what's happening, one thing is going to lead to another, okay. If at all it is going to be if at all it's a relationship, like I said, this person is going to be extremely passionate towards you, or you towards this person, or it could be mutual. But the thing is that this person is going to be this person will express his or her feelings very creatively towards you. They might just write a poetry for you, you never know, okay, or take you for a surprise trip, or plan a surprise dinner for you, something which is going to make you feel like just wow, okay. That's the kind of energy I'm getting, guys. There could even be more than one person interested in you, is what I'm getting. Either ways, you're going to get a lot of communication in all aspects of your life, guys. Career, finance, or in terms of relationship also. So the blocked energy that you had, okay, if at all you had, it's going to just start flowing, which is so beautiful, so beautiful. Some of you guys, like I said, who have gone through this karmic event, okay, karmic churn of events, you guys are going to have shift of perspective, okay. You guys, a 360-degree shift of perspective is what I'm saying, okay. You will start seeing life in a different manner, okay. You'll start seeing life in a different different way altogether, okay. Age old conditioning, age old belief system, it will all be challenged, and you'll just break free out of that, okay. You will introspect, you will take a step back, and you'll become non-judgmental. If you're not doing that, the angels are saying that do that, okay. Also, some of you guys need a break, okay, especially after going through some bad phase, okay, through stressful times. Definitely break is very much needed. So try to sleep a lot, try to go on a vacation, try to take, even if it is a small break over a weekend club by 1 or 2 days, just go ahead and take it. You definitely need to rest it out. Also, guys, nap a lot. It definitely helps us. I am actually stuck over this karmic energy, okay. What is it? It's just below 3 of wands, and I want to know. Please tell me more about the karma card for my lovely Libras. Please tell me more about the karma card. Damn, like, guys, definitely you are definitely meeting someone from your past lifetime, okay. This Knight of Cups, this karma, you are connected to this person through several lifetimes. And 3 of Cups usually is there is Wheel of Fortune yet again. Oh my goodness. Hierophant talks about marriage. Oh my god, guys, this energy is so strong and so overwhelming. 3 of Cups usually is the energy of reunion, okay. In terms of school reunion, college reunion, that could be the case for some of you guys. But in this case, I strongly believe that you guys are reuniting in this lifetime yet again, okay. You have known each other from previous lifetimes, and in this lifetime, in this 3D lifetime, yet again your souls are meeting each other, and like I said, there could be a considerable age gap between you two guys, and it's a very very strong connection, guys. A very very strong connection, a very very strong bond that won't be broken so easily. Okay, so oh my goodness, it's a very intense energy is all I can tell you. Yeah, this person, whoever this energy, is going to express his or her emotions very profusely to you. You are going to feel a very strong connection or bond towards this person. That's also what I'm telling you. That is definitely going to happen, guys. Wow. Libras, do let me know if any such thing happens, if you get into any such relationship. Okay, and it's turning out to be a specific reading, guys. Please forgive me about that. I have absolutely no control over it. Please forgive me if that's the case. Let's pull another message from this beautiful deck. Luck is on your side. Luck is on your side. And at the bottom of the deck is surrender to the divine. Didn't I tell you this? I mean, you need to believe into the divine timing, in the divine happenings, events, occurrences. Okay, and you just need to surrender. Okay, you just need to bow and surrender. That's the kind of message I'm getting, guys, and it's confirmed by the angels. Also, luck is on your side. So no matter what, okay, no matter how rough the period might be looking or seeming right now, things are going to turn in your favor only, hands down. Okay, so please don't worry or beat yourself up with worry. Let's pull. Okay, something flipped right away. Remain positive is what your angels are saying, and of course, surrender to the divine. Karma, all these cards are telling you that have patience and just go with the flow. Remain positive, do not give hopes. Okay, do not give up on yourself and the universe and spirit guides. Okay, just be positive. Things are going to be in your favor. Okay, let's quickly pull some charms and conclude the reading. Mirror, definitely have positive self talk, guys. Do not have any negative self talk. It definitely matters what dialogue you have with yourself. Okay, she believed she could, so she did. Yes, of course, definitely faith is very very instrumental in this current energy of yours, guys, and have faith in yourself and the divine. Okay, and everything is going to be fine. I think this charm has come twice. No, believe in love. Of course you need to believe in love. You are definitely going to meet your soulmate. Oh, by the way, guys, when I say soulmate, it need not be your romantic partner only. Okay, it need not be your husband or wife only, or if you are of same gender, it need not be your spouse is what I'm saying. But it could be absolutely anyone. Okay, you could connect to a friend, like you have known each other from previous lifetimes, because that is the case. Okay, that is the case. You know each other from previous lifetimes, or you could connect to your help. Okay, domestic help for that matter. Okay, but soulmates can absolutely be anyone. Okay, not just romantic partners. So yeah, believe in love, guys. Definitely love in all purest forms. Initial Q, I don't know why this comes, if at all. I don't know what this initial means to anyone, but if at all it does, then yeah, please, if it strikes any chord. Camel, wow. Camel, now this always tells me about being mindful about some shadowy days, shadowy period. Okay, so if you are at your peak, at the peak of your career, still be grounded, save, okay, invest money wisely, save for the rainy days. And if you are already in a rough period, okay, low period, know that you will be taken care of by the universe. Okay, God provides us enough to sail through whatever the situation is. So it's a very significant charm is what I would say. We are all mad here. Okay, we are all mad here, we indeed are. So no matter how tough the times are, remain positive, do not lose on hope, and do not forget to have fun. Okay, whatever it is, do not forget to have fun. That's a very beautiful message, guys. You are definitely shifting gears in your life, and I'm sure it might not be easy. So just hang in there, and everything is going to be all right. So Libras, I leave it at that. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Take care.